If your SaaS homepage converts at 2% or less, the problem might not be your headline, your CTA, or your hero image. It might be that visitors still have no idea what your product actually feels like to use. And imagination is a terrible conversion strategy. So we will use AI instead to build something your visitors can actually feel. I'm Kaushik, co-founder of Supademo, and in this video, I'll show you how to build a product demo for your SaaS that people can actually engage with in 5 minutes or less. Before we start, let's talk about why people would want to feel our product first. Every year, Gartner asks B2B buyers the same question. Do you want to talk to a sales rep when buying software? In 2025, 61% of people said no. This year, it's 67%, and the number will keep climbing. You might read that data and assume that the answer is to kill the book a demo button, but that's a bit of an overreaction. People will still want to speak to a real person when they are making a big decision. But what we are talking about here is how to get them to the point where they are ready to have that serious conversation. If all they see is screenshots and copy, they are going to bounce. And if they can click through the real product and hit the aha moment in 30 seconds, they are way more likely to fill out your form or start your trial. And I know this because our customers see higher conversion rates immediately after they implement our interactive demos. So before we open any tools, I want you to write down the answer to this question. What's the one thing a buyer needs to see happen to understand why your product is worth paying for? For a project management tool, it might be dragging a task from a to-do column to done column and watch it auto-update. For analytics product, maybe it's connecting a data source and seeing your first chart populate. For something like Supademo, it's recording a workflow and seeing AI clean up the whole thing and it's ready to share. You get the gist. Once you have your aha moment written down, now we are ready to record. To start recording our product demo, we are going to use Supademo. First, install Supademo's free Chrome extension, which turns your screen recording into an interactive product demo. To find the Chrome extension, just go to the Chrome store and search Supademo. Once you find it, add it to your toolbar and also make sure to pin it so it's easy to access during the next step. Once the extension is ready, I will open the product I'm going to record. Then I'll click the extension, hit start capture, and that's it. I'm now recording. And the part most people don't realize is that the Supademo isn't recording a video of your screen. It's capturing the real HTML and CSS of every page you click through. A normal screen recording like Loom locks everything in place. If you have a typo or accidentally shows sensitive information, you have to re-record the whole thing. With Supademo, every word on the screen is still editable after you stop because it's a clickable replica of your product. So I'm just going to click through my workflow normally. I'm not going to overthink it. I click through the steps that lead to my aha moment. Done. When the editor opens, you will see every step of your demo laid out here on the side. Remember, when I said the text is still editable, watch this. Let's say I accidentally captured a real client's name. I just click on it, type the new name, and the AI swaps it everywhere it appears in the demo. Same thing if you want to personalize a demo for a specific prospect. Change the company name, hide a number, swap a logo. Okay, the text is dialed in, but your demo is still silent. Next thing it's missing is a voice walking the buyer through it. With the AI voice feature, you can have it read what's happening on each step. You can edit any line, change the wording, swap the voice.
First up, click the login button to access your Supademo account.
And you can even clone your voice. The demo is now 80% done. The last 20% is making sure the demo actually walks a buyer to your aha moment in 30 seconds, which means trimming anything that doesn't end its place. Here is the part where I want to introduce Claude. I'm going to open Claude and I have already connected Supademo to it using something called MCP. Basically, this MCP lets Claude talk directly to Supademo. So I can edit my demo by just typing what I want changed. Setup takes about 2 minutes and links in the description. Now watch this. I'm going to paste my Supademo link in and then ask, look at this demo, identify any steps that don't directly contribute to the aha moment, which is suggest which steps to cut to or merge so the demo lands in under 30 seconds. Claude looks at every step, reads the hotspot copy, and tells me exactly which ones are slowing the demo down. Once it's done that, I will take a look at the demo and then ask Claude one more thing. Rewrite the hotspots on the remaining steps so each one points the viewer towards the aha moment. Keep them under 10 words each. I will let it run. And that's it. The demo is now tight, on message, and pointed at one moment your buyer needs to see. The thing to notice here isn't the AI. It's the judgment the AI is applying, your judgment, and now the AI just enforced it across the demo. Last step, getting this in front of actual buyers. You got two options. Option 1, share it as a link, drop this into a cold email, a LinkedIn DM, or a sales follow. Option 2, and this is the one that fixes the homepage conversion problem we started with. Grab the embed code, paste it directly onto your homepage, paste it right below your hero section. So when a visitor lands on this page, instead of just reading copy and looking at screenshots, they can click through your product and hit the aha moment in 30 seconds. Then they hit the book a demo button warmer than any cold visitor ever would. So that's it. In about 5 minutes, you went from a static homepage with a 2% conversion rate to one with an interactive product demo pointing every visitor at your aha moment. If you want to build your first interactive demo, you can try Supademo for free using the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video.